Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of the Bull Room. So today, we got a real good one, or I believe we got a real good one. Is that right, AZ?
Always, man, always.
Let me remind you guys to pay the fee. The fee is quite simple, has nothing to do with money. It's a simple recommendation. You know, all we ask is for you to tell a friend, a sibling, a relative, or a like-minded individual. With that being said, this is your host, MP, and behind the scenes,
AZ.
And like I said, we have the top 5 dividend stocks. I'm going to name my top 5, and let's see if AZ got some off the top of his head. And let's see if he also disagrees or agrees with me. Maybe he could disagree. You know, one might not know. So with that being said, let's get started. How long have you... Wait, you know what? Let me ask you real quick, AZ. How long have you been investing in stocks?
Since 2019, I believe. Ever since I got out of high school.
So 2019. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you originally start off as a dividend investor, or did you learn about it later on?
A little gambler, bro. I feel like that's how most people start, as just like as a what's it called, penny stock gambler, man. That's how I started my trading career.
Everyone thinks they're gonna be rich tomorrow.
Exactly. Yeah, of course.
Did you But when did you become a dividend investor, and how long have you been a dividend investor?
I would say probably now going on 3 years now, bro. Not too long. But I did learn about it pretty quickly after I kind of
messed up.
Yeah, lucky somehow I got lucky. I didn't lose any money. I gained a little bit, but
that was the same thing with me.
Yeah,
it's funny.
Just a little bit, just enough to where I'm like, all right, man, maybe I gotta chill.
Maybe this ain't
a different way. Yeah, I figure out. So that's of course, that's when I really did a deep dive and started learning about all the different strategies. And and that's when
that's funny. That's kind of like what happened to me. Same thing. I kind of went on my own, and I was like, all right, let me go start going on YouTube and stuff like that. You know.
Yeah.
So I've been a dividend investor since 2018, the year before you, and I've been retired or put on pause from dividend investing for a bit. And dude, I don't know if you knew, but crypto is going up like crazy.
Oh, dude, I didn't even tell you. How did I forget? I bought like $20 worth of Cardano.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
When?
I don't know, 2 weeks ago, something like that. I forgot to tell you, man. Yeah,
can you thank me? Can I get a thank you?
I don't know. Is it up?
Check.
Yeah,
check for yourself.
I'll check right now. But yeah, man, I remember I was looking at it, and because it
was at 20-something cents, right?
I don't remember, to be honest, bro. I just honestly, man.
Let's check it out. Remember, guys, let me just make this known. Any cryptocurrency stock that we talk about here are all personal opinions, experiences, and just that's it. Personal opinions and experiences. Nothing that we say on here is financial advice. So let me make that clear. Go ahead, AZ.
It says my balance is $28, and I've made $4.
Off staking it?
No, I don't know. I haven't staked it. No,
okay.
No. It's just me buying like $28.
So you bought $20 and it made it, and it became $28.
Mm-hmm.
Dude.
Yeah.
That's almost a 50% return.
Yeah, man. Maybe I should have went all in.
Now you're like, damn, that 20 could have been 200, and it could have been 280. Or that 20 could have been 2,000, and I could have been 2,800.
Yeah, I should have sold my house, bro.
Tampoco. You can't do all that, man. So, okay, let me give you my number one. My number one is going to have to be SPHD. Okay, this isn't a normal dividend stock. It's not a company or nothing. It's actually an ETF, an exchange-traded fund. It's pretty much a basket of stocks. What SPHD is, it's pretty much a S&P 500, the high dividend, low volatility ETF. So it gets the highest dividend payers from the S&P 500 with the lowest volatility, so the lowest up and down. So it doesn't really move too much. It's pretty steady, and it's really good. If you ask me, it pays a really good dividend. Looks like it's not showing on here.
4.72.
4.72? Okay, yeah, 4.7. Thank you, AZ, for saving me there. Price right now is at $42.
Exactly on the dot.
It went down because I have a 42.22, but it went down, I guess. Yeah. Oh, it did.
Well, it's
give it a L. Round up, round down.
Yeah, whatever.
Well, anyways, that's my biggest one, and you want to know why? Because it pays a monthly dividend. You see the compound interest instantly. in the first month of owning it. You get paid. I mean, you got to go through the probation period, right? And then after the probation period, then it starts counting. Just like how crypto staking works. It's pretty much the same thing. Concept of it, right? My number 2 is SPYD. Okay, it's another ETF, exchange traded fund. Like I said, it's a basket of stocks, right? This one is the portfolio of the S&P 500, just a high dividend. It's a high dividend ETF. So they grabbed the high dividend payers from the S&P 500, and this one costs about $38.28. Can you give me the dividend yield on that, AZ? I don't have it right here.
Yeah, a little bit. 4.86.
Perfect, right? So my number 1 and number 2 so far have been right in the sweet spot of the dividend yield that we want to look for, right? Which is 3 to 6%, which is on the safer side. And they're under $50 a share. You know, if you put $100 in, that's 2 shares. Not bad if you ask me, right? Or, you know, if we're rounding, right? Because one's 38, one's 42. And this one actually pays every quarter. So it pays a dividend every 3 months. So you see the compound interest, you know, every 3 months, which is good. What do you think, AZ? For number 1 being a monthly payer and number 2 being a quarterly payer, you think that's a good little diversification for a portfolio?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I mean, I think these are always like just the best options for anybody who doesn't really
know what they're doing, right?
Yeah,
like it's like a dummy proof and
exactly. Just keep your point.
dividend. It's a dummy proof stock.
Yeah.
In a sense, right?
Yeah, you just keep pouring your money in here, and you know it just keeps. Yeah, they'll pay you out.
So now we're going into the real estate. Okay, how do we invest into real estate through a stock market, AZ?
Through REITs.
REITs, and what does REITs mean, AZ?
Real estate index something.
I believe it's, if you could look it up for me as I see it, is real estate investment trust.
That does sound right.
Let me know. Was that right or was that wrong? That was off the top of my head. Well, anyways, while AZ does that, the dividend the REIT that we're talking about is Realty Income Corp, ticker symbol O. This one costs $60.95. It has a dividend yield of 5.3%. What was it?
Real estate investment trust.
Oh, so I was right on the money. So this one's perfect, bro. 5% dividend for $60, almost 61. If you really round it up.
Yeah, I actually have that one.
It's amazing. Oh, so you agree? So far, no disagreements.
No disagreements.
Okay, you have SPHD, SPYD as well.
I don't know. I just have O.
Okay,
I do like the other ones as well, just because I like to choose my own.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Once again, every stock that we mentioned here, every cryptocurrency that we mentioned here, any type of investment talk that we have in here is not financial advice. It's all personal opinions and experiences, okay? So, you know, when you don't have enough money to buy real estate, this is how you do it. This is a broke man's real estate right here, is REITs. And in reality, it's not broke because real brokies don't even own stocks. So you're already a 1%er owning stocks in a sense, right? When it comes to, you know, nuestra raza, nuestra gente que no cree en las bolsas de how do you say stock market in Spanish? Is bolsa de ahorro? No, not de ahorros.
I don't know.
De valores or something like that.
My mom calls it stocks.
Oh, wait. Your mom's Americanized, bro.
Yeah.
You know what? Look it up for me, bro. Okay, now we're going to go into something that it's kind of obvious, right? Why wouldn't you invest in this, right? And this is going to be my number 4. It's something you drink. Some people drink it. Some people snort it. I'm just playing.
Yeah, well, I was like, hold on.
Now this now this stock that we're talking about is Coca-Cola.
Nice.
We're going to ticker symbol KO, okay? $60.35 a share. Lower end on the sweet spot of the dividend yield, but it's still good at 3%. Still sitting high. It's still sitting at a good 3%. I'll take that all day. And this is another quarterly payer. Let me also make it known that I believe Realty Income's a monthly payer as well, right? The REIT?
No, I think it's every quarter, bro.
Is it every quarter?
I think so. Yeah, I don't think they pay out every month.
Okay, but it is a higher dividend.
No,
yield.
it's a dude, amazing. Not only
Coke,
that, but you get
Coke
exposed
agree or
to
disagree?
I probably disagree at the prices. Just at the fact that it's.
But for a starter, bro, I mean, look, bro, it's not about timing the market; it's timing the market.
No, absolutely,
right?
Yeah, I think if you're not really if you're not willing to kind of like look for those deals, just go with the SPR, like we were saying. Those
ETFs, the SPHDs, SPYDs,
put it in, and those are
or REITs because obviously it's real estate, right? Coca-Cola. This was a pretty dummy-proof one too because who doesn't drink Coke?
Yeah,
who doesn't drink anything Coca-Cola produces, right?
Definitely
now, I thought you were going to disagree and bring up PepsiCo.
No,
because PepsiCo is also one of the big ones, but it's just not on my list. But that's a very debatable which company is better. And in all reality, if we're talking about size, numbers, Pepsi is.
Yeah.
But consistency, and will always be consistent, is Coke.
Yeah.
Always. Because the thing is with kind of it's like Pepsi offers so many stuff, snacks, beverages, everything. And Coke only does like one thing, beverages. So it's like, they rule the beverage industry. So I would rather go with them. Now, my number 5. Take a wild guess. Take a wild guess what would be my number 5.
Staking crypto.
Oh, well. I do that. I do that. That is and it's actually at a really low price. I am surprised it is at a really low price. It is literally half price than what it was in 2018.
Oh. I don't know. What is it?
3M.
Oh, tell me why. I knew that.
No,
I was going to buy it, bro. I was going to buy 3M.
Bro, it's sitting at 102
the other day,
and 86 cents.
It did below $100 the other day, bro. I was debating. I was like,
bro, and this shit averages, I remember when I owned it was 150.
Dude, you know what's going on with them, right?
No, what's going on?
It's their fucking, they have a bunch of
bring up
lawsuits,
article. You have article or no?
I don't, but I just.
But lawsuits about what?
Certain
a product?
Yeah, something. It has to do with something like it was causing people some type of
short-term turmoil.
Exactly.
It's one of those ones that we were talking about when it bad news with the LGBTs.
Yep.
This is just some short-term
exactly,
FUD.
Yeah.
3M is not going anywhere.
Nowhere, man.
And with a booming economy, I have a feeling this is going to go past 250 easy, in a booming economy. Yeah. But that's my number 5 is 3M sitting at a almost. If we were around it would have been a 6%, but it's not. It's a 5.83% dividend yield. And the reason why is because the price is low. When the price goes up, that dividend yield goes down. So you want to buy low so you get a higher dividend yield. Okay, guys? Dude, what do you think of my list?
That's pretty. Yeah, I agree so far, man. I love
agree all of them.
yeah, basically
across the board.
All
right,
even
man.
The Coke one, even the Coke one is it's not a bad bet.
It's not a bad bet. I know you don't like the price it's at right now, but at the end of the day, it's about timing the market, not timing the market. And we have to make the viewers or gente or raza, the members of Latin Wealth Club know what's up, right? We're gonna keep it 100 all day, and we got some stock news, bro. Stocks are rallying.
Yeah.
Why are stocks rallying, AZ? Why are stocks rallying?
Because inflation slightly came down.
3%, right?
Less, man. Wasn't it way less than that?
It was 3%. It's at 3%, but the thing is that there's the other the lowest one was 3%, but the highest was like 7%. So it's like they weighed it out, and it's like okay, it went down a little bit.
CPI, and then
so the CPI was 3%.
The one they care about is core.
Yeah,
that's the one that we should be.
Joe Biden is proud, at least.
Yeah, of course. Of course he is. Of course he is. But yeah, whenever you're looking at that stuff, CPI excludes certain things. I don't remember exactly what it is. It's like
the core inflation is the important one.
Yeah, but the core one is the one you're looking for. But still, I mean,
but the CPI is the one that looks pretty,
and we still reacted.
Yeah.
So does it really? I mean,
people are idiots nowadays, though. Let's be real.
Yeah,
so, I have an article here, and I'm looking at it, and it's pretty much a inflation cool down, right? Could give the Federal Reserve a reason to ease up on its rate hike campaign. Do you believe, bro, that we're gonna raise again? I think we are. I still think we are.
I don't know.
I think it was a hop. I think that this recent one was obviously no raise, and I think this one's gonna be a raise.
I think so. The next one's coming.
Yeah.
I could see them doing it, but I also could see him sticking with whatever the market thinks he's gonna do.
Well, here's the thing, right? He's at 3%, and he's been promising 2%.
Yeah.
He's almost there.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe another rate hike is needed.
The thing is, with that, bro, comes more torture to banks. Like, a lot of people suffer.
Fuck those banks.
I know, but they care about the banks.
What, you like Obama or something?
I love Obama.
Obama saved the banks. He didn't save the people. He saved the banks.
I love Obama.
Let's not get into that, though. But with that being said, too, that's what's going on with the stock market, right? Stocks are going crazy. But I'm pretty sure right today you heard that crypto went crazy.
I did not hear that.
No news?
Nothing.
None of the stock or investment like pages you follow didn't post?
Nothing about crypto.
Okay, do you know what Ripple is? XRP.
I do not.
Never heard of? Oh, so you're like clueless in the world of crypto.
I don't know anything.
Okay, so, right, a lot of people obviously know Bitcoin, right? They know Cardano through me. And there's another one called XRP, Ripple. So, remember how I told you Cardano's going through a lawsuit with the SEC because they're trying to say it's a security?
Yeah.
So, they did this to multiple cryptocurrencies.
Oh, okay.
They are suing up the ass, but the first one they attacked was Ripple, XRP. They are delisted in all American investment firms. For you to buy it, you have to use a VPN.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Anyways. Well, not now anymore.
Oh, not anymore.
Because we have good news today.
Okay. Oh, okay.
We have good news today. And Ripple went up 96% in one day.
Damn. So you're saying if you were stacking...
Why do you think Cardano... Look at Cardano followed.
Yeah. It went up.
This news helped Cardano go up, I believe, like 20 to 30% today.
Wow. Holy shit.
That's right? Crazy. So, and guess what was the news? The judge, it's not confirmed 100%, but it already came out that the judge ruled that Ripple is not a security. So, what that's saying is like, okay, well, Ripple is not a security. All the other ones are just like Ripple. So, that means all their lawsuits are about to go out the door. Right? And until those are confirmed, like, we're in a crypto bear market right now, but come 2024, 2025,
it's time.
It's going to be time, baby.
I hope so, man.
I think it is, bro. And then, these are the first signs of it, right? That the judge is taking cryptocurrency. You got to remember, regulation's coming soon. The Bitcoin ETF is coming, and that's coming in August. It looks like it's gonna come, bro. And all this good news, all this good FUD, right? Like we talked about, like the CPI and like this causes, for example, in crypto, 96% returns. I don't know what the S&P 500 been up. Do you know? Let me check. 2%. So, dude, crypto is volatile, but the returns are pretty worth the risk.
Too risky, man. Risky.
But anyways, this is gonna be the end of the Bull Room. Is there any questions, comments, concerns that you may have, AZ?
Look into if you're interested in dividend, JP Morgan.
And this is not financial advice. Once again,
not financial advice. I am an idiot.
He's saying to look at him, do your own research.
Do your own research, man.
Because in his own list, he has JP Morgan Chase. And what else? I'm sorry.
I do. I have JP Morgan Chase. I would recommend maybe Walgreens.
So look into he's recommending to look into and do your own research into Walgreens and what was the other one? I just forgot the first one.
Oh, JP Morgan.
JP Morgan Chase. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, and Altria.
Altria Group. That's a good one. That's they own Big Tobacco.
They do.
Yeah. It's never going anywhere.
Hey, man.
So yeah, remember, everything we say in here are personal opinions and from personal experiences. Nothing we say is financial advice. AZ is just giving you a simple recommendation to look into and do your own research and do your own financial decisions with those stocks that he has on his list. So with that being said, we'll see you on the next one. Stay dedicated, stay motivated. Omni in and Omni out. We'll see you on the next one. Play the outro.